Today, I am reviewing the Airthings 2960 View Plus. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When we think about home safety, we usually check our smoke detectors, look at our security locks, or make sure our carbon monoxide alarms have fresh batteries. But there is a silent, completely invisible danger that most of us completely overlook, and that is the quality of the air we are breathing every single day inside our own homes. According to data from health organizations, indoor air can actually be significantly more polluted than outdoor air, and radon gas specifically is the #1 cause of lung cancer among non-smokers. It actually claims more than 6 times the number of lives each year than home fires and standard carbon monoxide poisoning combined. That is why having a comprehensive, professional-grade monitoring system isn't just a luxury for smart home enthusiasts. It is a critical health investment. Today we are taking a deep, comprehensive look at the Airthings 2960 View Plus. This is a battery-powered, Wi-Fi-connected smart indoor air quality monitor that features an extensive, always-on 7-sensor array to give you absolute clarity over your indoor environment. Right out of the box, Airthings sets a high standard for design and user experience. The View Plus is an elegantly understated, matte white oval unit that looks sleek and modern without drawing unnecessary attention to itself on a shelf, nightstand, or mounted up on a wall. One of its standout physical features is the 2.9-inch e-paper, or e-ink, display. This high-contrast screen is incredibly easy to read from across the room and can be customized through the app to show the exact 4 air quality metrics you cared about monitoring most. Because it utilizes low-energy e-ink technology, the screen remains constantly on and visible without draining the battery. Directly above the screen sits a clever motion sensor and an LED light strip. If you want a quick status report without diving into your phone, you simply wave your hand in front of the device. The motion sensor wakes up a glowing indicator that shines green for good air quality, yellow for fair, or red if a pollutant has crossed a safe threshold. What truly sets the View Plus apart from basic air monitors on the market is the sheer depth of its diagnostic capabilities. It doesn't just look at 1 or 2 metrics. It constantly samples 7 distinct environmental factors every 5 minutes using high-grade electrochemical and NDIR sensors. It continuously tracks radon gas levels, particulate matter 2.5, carbon dioxide, volatile organic compounds, humidity, temperature, and barometric air pressure. The inclusion of a passive diffusion chamber and alpha spectrometry for radon detection allows this consumer device to deliver precision matching that of professional building inspectors. While the particulate matter laser counter keeps an eye on microscopic dust, wildfire smoke, and seasonal allergens, the volatile organic compound sensor detects airborne chemicals, kitchen cooking gases, and hazardous fumes from household cleaning products. It provides a complete, top-to-bottom analysis of everything suspended in your living spaces. The setup process is entirely painless and takes less than 5 minutes. It comes pre-installed with 6 AA batteries, meaning you can pull the protective plastic tab, place the unit exactly where your family gathers, and enjoy a completely cable-free setup without hunting for a vacant wall outlet. When running purely on battery power over a standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, the efficient power management system allows the device to last for up to 2 full years before needing a battery swap. However, if you prefer an always-on, zero-maintenance power source, you can also plug it directly into a wall outlet using the included USB-C cable. An incredible bonus of plugging it in via USB-C is that the View Plus automatically transforms into a SmartLink Healthy Home Hub. This means it can act as a central internet gateway for any older or smaller Airthings Wave monitors you might have scattered throughout other bedrooms in your house, bringing your entire ecosystem online. Once the device connects to your Wi-Fi network, it undergoes a brief 7-day initial calibration period where the baseline algorithms map out the natural environment of your home. All of your historical data is continuously uploaded and saved securely to the cloud. Through the free, incredibly user-friendly Airthings Companion app or the robust web-based Builder dashboard, you can view real-time metrics and explore detailed historical graphs tracking hours, days, months, or even a full year of trends. The app will send proactive smart notifications directly to your phone the second a pollutant like carbon dioxide or particulate matter spikes, giving you actionable tips on how to fix it, like opening a window or running an air purifier. It even integrates localized live pollen tracking forecasts, allowing you to plan your outdoor activities around high allergen days. When you factor in Airthings' 15 years of dedicated industry experience and the fact that over 1 million users trust their sensors globally, the peace of mind this device delivers is undeniable. Plus, by registering your unit for their free extended warranty program, you get a full 5 years of coverage, proving that the company stands behind the long-term durability of their technology. It bridges the gap between complicated scientific testing equipment and simple, elegant smart home tech perfectly. If you want a reliable, beautifully designed monitor that works tirelessly in the background to protect your family's lung health and optimize your indoor air quality, the Airthings View Plus is an absolute gold standard product that belongs in every modern home. Thank you for listening to this comprehensive breakdown. And here is to breathing easier every day.